Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check your power steering fluid in this 2014 Honda Odyssey. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. With the hood raised, your power steering fluid is right here. You can check the side. There is a indicator indicating the full line and the low line. So you want it somewhere in between there. To top it off, you can just grab this top, just wiggle it back and forth and pull it out. You can use a funnel with the appropriate fluid and then put the cap back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.